There's a point where almost everyone quits. And the crazy thing is, it's right before things start working. Most people never realize it. They just stop. And if you're not careful, you'll stop there too. If you've been trying to make money with AI, you probably know this feeling. You start something. You're excited. You're motivated. You feel like, okay, this might actually work. You watch videos, you try things, you take some action. And for a moment, it feels like you're on the right track. Then a few days pass. Maybe a week. And nothing really happens. No money. No real traction. No clear results. And slowly, that excitement starts fading. You don't even notice it at first. But it's happening. You start questioning everything. Am I doing this right? Is this even worth it? Maybe this isn't for me, and that moment right there? That's where most people quit. Not at the beginning. Not when they're excited. But right here. When things feel slow, unclear, and a little frustrating. Because what you're feeling in that moment feels like failure. But it's not. It's just the middle. The part nobody really talks about. The part where you've already started, but nothing is working yet. And that space is uncomfortable. Because now you're stuck between two options. Keep going, or stop. And most people choose to stop. Not because they can't do it, but because they don't see progress fast enough. I've been there. That exact point. Where you sit there thinking, I've already tried, this should be working by now, but it's not. And your mind starts pushing you to switch. Try something else. Maybe this idea isn't it. Let me start fresh, and it feels like a smart decision. But it's actually the trap. Because the moment you switch, you reset everything. All the effort you've put in, gone. And then what happens? You start something new. You feel excited again. You take action, for a few days, maybe a week, and then you hit the same point again. And you quit again. And that cycle just keeps repeating. So it feels like you're trying, but nothing is really moving forward. That's why people stay stuck for months, sometimes years. Not because they're not capable, but because they never stay long enough. And that's the difference. The people who eventually succeed are not doing something magical. They just don't quit at that point. They stay. Even when it feels slow. Even when it feels unclear. Even when it's frustrating. And that's where things start changing. Because once you stay a little longer, you start understanding more. You get better. You move faster. Things begin to connect. And then, you start seeing small results. Not huge. But enough to keep going. And those small results turn into momentum. But you only get there if you don't quit too early. So if you're in that phase right now, where it feels like nothing is working, just pause for a second. Don't switch. Don't restart. Don't chase something new. Stay where you are. Give it a little more time. Because you might be closer than you think. Most people quit right before it starts making sense. Don't be one of them. If you want more videos like this, real, simple, and honest, make sure you subscribe. Because here, we talk about what actually happens. Not just what sounds good. And in the next video, I'll show you how to know if you're actually on the right path, or just wasting your time. See you in the next one.